All right, everybody, welcome back. I have another monthly update for you guys. This is the first month of this year, so it is January of 22. This was not a very good month for me. It is very slow right now. I have been adding a lot more on my eBay lately, so hopefully I can up some of these monthly updates. But as of right now, it is what it is. I am still selling a little bit, so I cannot complain, but I would like to get that going more in this new year. I only sold 3 items in this month, and I'm going to list those parts out for you guys right now. Volkswagen Passat grill, $135 plus $35 shipping. Toyota Corolla headlight, $200 plus $25 shipping. And a Ram taillight, $400 plus $15 shipping. Like I said, those are the 3 items I sold, and they added up to $735. The shipping prices that were charged to the buyers was $75. It was $83 to ship all of those items out, which left me with $727 before fees. And then minus the eBay fees, I ended up with $633 of profit. So as you can see, it is pretty low. It started off pretty good, but after the eBay fees and with the shipping prices, I only ended up with a little over $600. With only 3 items, that's not bad. It comes out to $211 per item. So that's still pretty good. Considering I only sold 3 items, I am pretty happy because those 3 items were, a good amount of money. If you guys watch my latest video of what I sold last year, I talked about taillights, and in this month, I sold 1 taillight for $400. So as you can see that was an expensive taillight. That is why I like to sell them. Hopefully in the next month, I'm going to be adding a lot more on eBay, and hopefully I will be selling a lot more in February. I will obviously be making a video when all that is said and done. If you guys have any questions or comments, please just let me know and I will get back to you. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.